Hi, my name's Monica Reed, and I will audition for your book, Stand Up Paddleboard Racing for Beginners. Stand Up Paddleboard Racing for Beginners is the perfect newbie's guide to preparing for your first paddleboard race. Paddleboarding takes certain equipment, and it can be intimidating to even think about entering a competition. So this provides a great place to start. There is a lot of information out there and training guides geared towards advanced paddleboarders, but nothing really for the beginner. This is a nice, easy introduction to the basics of paddleboarding and how that relates to training for a race. In this guide, learn about why I wrote this book, different water to train in, and how their altitude affects training, specifically in Lake Tahoe, USA. Finding the right coach, access to water, and why people paddleboard, the basics of paddleboarding, finding the right kind of paddleboard for your race, the best paddles and other accessories for your competition, what to wear, when to start training, how much time you have to train, developing balance, strength, and endurance, paddle stroke techniques, safety, the key to having fun, what to expect on race day, takeaways from my first races, tips and tricks, my personal training diary, and additional resources. About the expert. Residing in Lake Tahoe, California, Kayla works for one of the best stand-up paddleboard rental coffee shops in the nation called Waterman's Landing. There she has access to some of the best paddleboards, the water, and 2 elite paddleboard racers. In autumn 2017, she started seriously training for her first paddleboard race and took 3rd out of 6 people in Mike's Sunday Fun Race. In the duration of her training, she ended up shaving 6 to 8 minutes off her average distance time. Although she is nowhere near being an elite athlete, Kayla is still paddleboard racing and working up the ranks.